Ever wanted to dive into the limitless world of Minecraft Java Edition but found yourself without a credit card or bank account? Today, we're showing you exactly how to make that dream a reality using a Paysafecard. First, you'll need to get your hands on a Paysafecard. These are physical vouchers available for purchase at countless retail locations worldwide. Simply choose a value that suits your budget. With your Paysafecard in hand, head over to the official Minecraft website. Make sure you're on Minecraft.net, the official place to buy the game. Click on the Buy Minecraft button, and you'll be directed to the purchase page here. You'll select Java Edition to ensure you're getting the PC version. You'll then see various payment options. Look for the Paysafecard option and select it. This is where the magic happens. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your 16-digit Paysafecard PIN. This code is printed on your Paysafecard voucher. Carefully type it in, making sure there are no typos. Once you've entered your PIN, confirm the purchase. Your Paysafecard balance will be used to cover the cost of Minecraft Java Edition. And that's it. You've successfully purchased Minecraft Java Edition using your Paysafecard. You can now download the launcher and start building your incredible worlds.